everybody. We're playing Don't Push the Button, but either way, we're gonna push it anyways because why not? And plus, I just died. Oh my god, I just died. Actually have my sister joining me.
Hello.
We're playing Don't. Oh my god,
No,
I just
no,
said
no,
that.
No, I'm gonna die.
Wait, how are you? Oh no, you're dead. Nope.
No.
You're dead.
Yes!
Oh my god.
I can't believe I just did not die.
Yeah, oh my god. I got 93 coins. Diamonds, I meant. Sorry. Don't move. Hey, look at, I'm moving. Yeet. Moving. Okay, push the button. Push the button. Hey. Sissy. Guys, you want to say something? I'm going to heaven. See ya. I'm gonna write, see ya. Bye. Oh my god, I'm falling. I'm here. Okay. Oh my god, throw forks. Yeet. What's happening to you?
Why did you say bye?
Sissy, what's happening to you? What the heck is actually happening to you? On my screen, it's showing you glitching out like you're dead. I need to score a goal. Skirt.
Oh, no.
Oh, I got it! Oh my god! I hope this footage just doesn't get lost. Oh my god!
Good job, brother!
Oh my god! You saw that!
Yes, I saw that.
Who killed my sister? That's what you get. That's what you get.
Did you kill the guy?
Yeah, I killed them. Wait, am I the only person up here? Hold up, I'm gonna scout. Yeah, I'm the only person here, boy. Yeppery, I win another thing. But you saw that, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I hope I saved this footage. Oh my god. This is the best day ever.
Because you never scored a goal.
Yeah. What? Wait, no. I hate you.
No, I am just joking. You
Yeah, that's what I thought.
A goal.
Yeah, I always score a goal.
No.
Come on, stay up. Ah! I fell out of a guy's butt.
Getting back up.
Wait, why does somebody have a piggy face and they're not even piggy? Time for a trivia question. What, money bag. Uh-oh. It's not money bag.
I clicked that.
And what was it?
It was shopping.
Shopping is the most pricey thing. Oh my god. I need to dodge these. Skinny boy. I dodged them. Somehow. Oh no. Oh, Victory Royale. That's what I call a Victory Royale.
I'm gonna drink ketchup. No.
Don't drink. No! Stop drinking ketchup.
Wait.
Get out the way of the ketchup.
This is not ketchup. This is hot sauce.
Oh wait, can I have some hot sauce too? Wee.
How many?
A's are in. Yeah, 2. It's showing us right now. It's showing us 1, 2. Oh my god! I swear to God, someone got that wrong. Okay, how much? Oh my god, I almost. Baldy, no, don't. He slapped my face. You want to see my face? Hold up. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful. Kiss it. Kiss his face. Kiss his face. Yeah, that's it. Oh, he's beating me up. Baldy, I did not steal your hair, I swear. Even though that I'm hairy, I swear I didn't steal your hair. Please, bah. Bob, please. Hey, sister.
Yeah?
Sister.
Yeah?
I bet I can go higher than you.
My brother!
Sister, save me from up here. I'm twirling.
OMG. What's the matter?
Ooh. Sister, help me.
Quick, get on the platform.
Oh. Woo. Okay, we're all on.
Friend.
He's not our friend. You died?
Yeah, when I was on the platform, you remember?
Watch out from the incoming boulders.
Ooh, penny.
I bet I can get it from right
Pick
here.
up.
Oh my god, there was a penny? Oh my god, what head was it? Was it on heads or... oh my god, you got bad luck forever. I'm just kidding.
No, just...
Watch out for the incoming lasers.
Ooh,
Yes. How? I did not even touch that.
Try not to die.
Try not to die challenge? Bet.
No.
Oh my god.
But just
Oh my
try
god,
not to die.
Oh my god, I'm so late. I'm so delayed. Sister. Help me. I'm sorry. Are you trying to gloat?
No!
First of all, did you fell? Don't gloat. Don't gloat like that, boy. What were you trying to do? What were you trying to do? Were you even thinking?
I was eating fish at the middle of the night. Bye-bye.
Someone just said noob. Who noob?
To this girl.
Noob. Who noob? Who noob? Because I see no noobs here except you. No, Jade is noob. What? How? Oops. That's mean. That's mean.
No, you two aren't a...
Oh my god, I think this person's a bully. You know what? I actually don't want this toxic person, so I'm actually gonna end it off here. No, no. Don't even listen to him. Don't even listen to him. Don't even listen.
I hate...
Hat you. I hat you 10,000. Okay, this is actually where we're ending it off. Bye, guys. I hope you have a wonderful night. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!